Welcome to And Academy's YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to use the Vanishing Point tool in Adobe Photoshop. This tool lets you define a perspective grid and allows you to place images, text, or any design that aligns with that perspective perfectly. It is an amazing tool for placing artworks on billboards, poster, or various mockups. For more design-related content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to see any particular tutorials, share your requests in the comment section below. So let's get started. Step 1. Open an image where you want to apply a perspective edit. Here, I have a street side billboard and I want to place a commercial poster on it. So make a new layer and name it Vanishing Point. Step 2. Click Filter menu and select Vanishing Point. Step 3. Now click on the four corners of the billboard. Notice how Photoshop automatically generates a perspective grid. If the grid turns blue, it's good. If it turns red, adjust the points until it aligns correctly. Click OK. Step 4. I have got my poster open in another tab. Select the poster then go to Edit, copy it. Now we will go back to our previous tab, click Filter, Vanishing Point, and paste. Drag the image into the grid. I'm going to scale and adjust the proportion to match the perspective of the billboard. Hold the Shift key while making adjustments. Click OK when done. Step 5. Resize if needed. You can also tweak its blend mode for a more realistic look. I'm choosing darker color here. And that's it. Your poster will look like as it was always a part of this billboard. If you enjoyed learning this tool, watch this space for more on the topic and many more quick and super easy techniques of Adobe Photoshop. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to And Academy's YouTube channel for more design-related content. See you soon. Happy designing!